Choosing between a ventilated and a refrigerated centrifuge depends on your specific laboratory needs. Both types serve different purposes and are designed for varying experimental requirements. Ventilated centrifuges. Ventilated centrifuges are ideal for samples that do not require temperature control. They are more affordable and sufficient for common laboratory applications, such as blood and urine sample processing. Equipped with a ventilation system, they help dissipate heat generated by the motor and spinning rotor. Refrigerated centrifuges. Refrigerated centrifuges maintain a controlled temperature during operation, making them essential for samples sensitive to temperature changes, such as enzymes, proteins, and cell cultures. They are more expensive but offer the added benefit of preserving sample integrity. Key differences: temperature control. Refrigerated centrifuges can maintain temperatures as low as -20 degrees C. Cost. Ventilated centrifuges are generally less expensive. Sample stability. Refrigerated centrifuges ensure sample stability. Choosing the right centrifuge. Sample sensitivity. If your samples are temperature sensitive, choose a refrigerated centrifuge. Budget. Ventilated centrifuges are cost-effective if temperature control is not a concern. Experiment requirements. Evaluate the specific needs of your experiments. Both centrifuge types have their advantages and are designed to meet different laboratory needs. Choose the right one based on your samples and experiment requirements. Want to learn more? For personalized recommendations and further information, please contact me through my homepage email. I will respond within 24 hours.